Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block screenshots on WhatsApp. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Well, I'm going to be showing you two ways right here. So first up, for photos or sent photos, and the other one is for your profile picture. Okay. So for your sent photos, go to any individual or group chat. Okay. Let's say this one right here. Now let's say you have sent a photo. Okay. Or you're trying to send a photo. So go ahead and attach an image like so. And once done, as you can see here, we have this icon. Well, this one is disappearing messages section or view once section. Okay. You're going to want to tap on it. And as you can see here, it says view once messages gives you more privacy. When it's a photo, video, or voice messages, it disappears from the chat after it's opened, okay? So for added privacy, the recipient cannot share, forward, copy, save, or take a screenshot out of it. So just tap on OK and just tap on send, and once that's done, you're good to go. Now, the other option is for your profile or profile picture. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to settings right here with the three dots at the top right. Tap on it and tap on settings, like so. Now, what you're going to do is just tap on privacy, and in here, just tap on profile picture. Okay, now just make sure that you select either my contacts or my contacts accept, or just straight up nobody. Okay, as WhatsApp right here automatically blocks screenshots of profile pictures on supported devices, of course. So setting visibility limits, well, even lowers the possibilities of taking screenshots. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.